Hello, hi guys. Welcome back to the next session of SAP workflows and thank you for choosing JK tutorials. So guys, in our previous session, a glitch was happened with us due to like system issues. What happened is our whatever the work we have done, it got failed out. So I've created a new workflow. So same details I've created over here. If I will go back to there, I will go to a change mode. I will show you same approve rejected also we have created. Go to the flow logic, then you can see guys import data is there. Okay, so we have written what we have done is we have just simply fetched the data from the VPAK table. Okay, then we have put it this condition. Also we can put the same condition whatever we have written in the last case. Message not sales order available, uh, type P, not equal to 0. Okay, approve as rejected. Okay, I will say it is a this code you written there for fetching the data based on workflow input. What are the input we was passing from the workflow? So check this, activate this. Okay, I will go back. Okay, this is the same screen type. Screen type is sub-screen element list. Okay, everything is same flow logic. I'll go to the layout. If I will show you same buttons, approve and reject also we have created over here also. I will go back. Okay, I will again go back. So this is my workflow looks like. Click on this continue button, save this. Okay, and then check this. Finally we activate this. Okay, activate it successfully. Now what we have to do, just execute this. Now we have to pass this VBEL and hover. Okay, because we are taking it as input. I will go to SA16 and once PAK table, execute this. Let's take any sales order number, go to VPLN, paste it here, 6 is there. So what it should do guys, look, we are here, this workflow. Now I am passing this VPLN to this PBO block. Now this PBO block will take this input, process the input, like it will send it to the select query, then it will give us this screen, then to the PI. Then if I will click on this execute button, no sales order available. What is the error guys? I think we have not changed the if condition. Sorry. I will go back. I will go to the display sales order. I will go to the look guys. From here, you change layout. You can go to your code and whatever the code go to the flow logic. Okay. From here, you can navigate to the code. Okay. Not equal to 0. Okay. Our error was correct only. Okay. I don't know why the error was. Okay. Activate this. Everything is same only. I'll execute this. Go to ITBBAK. I think we have to pass in the same format SE11. Go to the VBAK only. Display 6 was there now, which we was using. 6. Okay, it might be taking this unconverted format. Execute this. You can see guys, this is what my sales order will looks like. Correct? Sales order document created on, and this timeline 6 is there. Okay, I will go back. Okay, I can pass here. Look at that issue was due to unconverted format. Okay, I will go there. Okay, if I will go to the business workplace, I will go to the inbox, go to my workflows, and display form is there. You can see the form is displayed. Okay, I will again click there. Okay, it might be taking no value over there. We'll put some more restrictions. Okay, so guys, this is what my workflow will looks like. Okay, I will execute it again and then I will show you. I will take from here and take the unconverted format. Okay, copy this, go to this ITBBAK, pass it here, execute this. Okay, So this is what my workflow. You can see some different options is also there. You can see the status of the workflow. You can also see the workflow toolbox. Okay, this is what we have created now in our I think last session, like where we have changed the this description of the task. Okay, you can also use all of those things over here. You can see priority, everything is there. Created on time, whatever the time is there. Okay, so I think approve reject. We will see how we will see fill this. Also, what we can do, we can also remove this indicator option from there. I will go back. So to do any change, again, simple thing, guys. Go there, click on this display, and if look, if I want to remove this, okay, I can remove this automatically easily. Click on this, click on this delete button. Save this, check this, activate this again. Continue. Okay, go back. I'll go to the flow logic. Okay, save this, check this, activate this. I think my code is already okay. One more thing I forgot it. I think export data. Inside this export data, why I put it this approve or reject? I put it because after processing the data only on the process after input PAI. This is what the PAI will do. It will send back the data to the workflow only. Okay. I will go back. I will again go back. Click on this continue button. Finally activate this. Okay, execute this. Now I will go there to the BBL and I will pass the input. I will execute this. So yeah, you can see indicator word is field is removed from here. So guys, this is what our workflow will looks like. Okay, so we can do different things over here that we are going to see. So what we will do in our next session, we will put some condition. If it will be approve button, it should send it a mail. Then if it's a reject button, it should do like some, it should send to some lower manager or higher manager. So different things we are going to see in our coming up session. So guys, that's all about forms. Okay, thank you for joining, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.